No more timeouts. Kapos ang pangalawa. Mutsayak with a steal. Mutsayak with a shot. On Wabere with a putback. 2 puntos na lang to, Anton, ha? Nabata. Ball stolen away. Hamadu Lamino for the tie. And we are tied. 82 all. Unbelievable. Wow. With the assist to Hamadu Lamino, who ties the game up. Maliwanag. Pasok na pasok yun.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel. Fuego General!